to another video, a new vlog, a new week, new blessings. I love it. So today is Monday, October 24th. And today at my school is, this week at my school is Spirit Week. So today is wear your favorite sweatshirt day. Tomorrow is rock your favorite sports team. Wednesday is, what's Wednesday? Wear pink. Because on Wednesdays we wear pink. And Thursday is camouflage day. So, I mean, Spirit Week then really went down. I don't know if it's just at a particular school I work at or it just went down in general. Because when I was in school, it was like wacky tacky day, pajama day. We need to do a throwback day because that would be so funny. I actually seen on TikTok this school had to do throwback day and they dressed like the 2000s and the 90s and stuff like that. So we need to do that. Spice it up a little bit. This week is homecoming week for my city, so traffic, especially this weekend, traffic is about to be insane. Every year, traffic is about to be insane, and then the parade is Saturday morning, which we haven't had a parade in since the pandemic, 2 years. So I'm excited that the parade is coming back, and I'm so mad because I forgot my earrings. I hate when I don't have my earrings because I don't look right. But anywho, this week is going to be a great week. Today is going to be a great day. I have a little bit of stuff to do before I get off of work. Business to take care of. I need to get back into my true crime channel. It's still a little dark outside. It's not supposed to be too cold this week. It's supposed to be like in the 60s. It's not really cold to me. That's kind of like warm. So I'm having a jacket. I just have on a sweatshirt. And this sweatshirt was actually given to me by my boyfriend. It was too small. It was too big for him. And it fit me just right, so he just gave it to me. So, yeah, I don't have anything else to talk about. I don't think I said who I was. My name is Tati B, and this channel I upload weekly vlogs, try on hauls, I'm gonna start doing get ready with me, wig installs, anything you can think of. And I also have a true crime channel called Tati B ASMR if you want to check that out. If you are a true crime junkie like myself, I am whispering on there, however, and I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but I would encourage you to just try it out. You might like it. So yeah, I forgot to say my name in the beginning, but yeah. So I'll catch y'all later. I'll talk to y'all later. Alright y'all, so we are at the parade. Here's my sister. Here's my daughter. And here's my son. So the parade just got started. Yeah, it's a little cold. They got the boys. No, what about her birthday clothes? Right. All black relatives. Dream Builders Realty.
Stick your hand out. Get it.
They should have. Woo! That's a nice hotel. I'm proud of y'all. It's the cut for me. That is marketing right there.
They took those more hella candy back.
flavor because the only flavors I get is either the dragon fruit Red Bull which is amazing, or I get the peach Red Bull. And I have this theory, and I want y'all to comment down below. All of my 29 subscribers. I want y'all to comment down below your thoughts. So, what's up with my teeth? So, sorry y'all, I was focusing on turning. I have this theory. I feel like energy drinks, caffeine drinks, caffeinated drinks, coffee, I feel like they don't really keep you awake. I feel like that's just our mind telling us that it will because of how they're marketed. I don't know if that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. I need to stop saying that. I need to stop talking down to myself. I hope that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. You guys understand what I'm trying to say, and it makes sense. I feel like our mind plays tricks on us into believing that these drinks keeps us up and gives us more energy, but I don't believe that is accurate. So let me know what y'all think down below. Like I told you earlier in the vlog, this week is Spirit Week, so today is Army Fatigue. I know you fucking right. I hope that music wasn't in my background, but today is Army Fatigue Day. I had told my daughter, I was like, yeah, baby, she want a pair of pants that I have. I'm gonna try to like take a picture of my outfit so I can show it to y'all if I have time today. So she liked my pants, my Army pants, and she was like, Mommy, I want a pair of those pants. So I said, yeah, I'll buy you a pair of pants so we can have the same pair of pants. And so I was like, it's Army Day at school. So she was like, are you going to come back? And I was like, what do you mean? She was like, are you going to come back? I guess she thought I was going to the Army. I guess she thought I was going to the Army. She didn't think I was going to come back. It was so cute because she was so serious. But the kids' costumes came yesterday, so this weekend we're of course gonna go trick-or-treating at this church that Kennedy told me about, and also I have another place we can go trick-or-treating at this weekend. And I wanted to take them to the pumpkin patch, but I don't know if all the pumpkin patches are like gone. I don't know if they're still out. So I'm gonna have to find some pumpkin patches. And yeah, I feel so cute today. It's giving streetwear. That's what it's giving. But I'm getting a new camera. Oh my god, I'm getting a new camera. I cannot wait. I'm so ashy. Oh my god, I'm so ashy. This is so embarrassing. And my lips are crusty. So really quickly, I want to do a grocery haul. I just came back from Publix, picking an order up from Publix. And I got these mini swirl strawberry shortcake. Oh, I cannot wait to try one. And then I got what they gave you? I guess they were out of stock. No. Pepperoni pizza hot pockets, but they were supposed to be the 5 cheese hot pockets, but I guess they were out of stock. I got some Nathan's French fries. I didn't want me to try these fries. It's probably nothing special. I got some more ice cream, half-baked ice cream. Oh, look at my pretty girl. She is so pretty. She just got her costume today, so she tried it on and she is so excited. Ain't that right, baby? Yeah. I should go ahead and put these up so
and if y'all know the church from across the street, you could go there, follow it, because they sell a lot of candy.
No.
No?
Basically telling people before you go to sleep. Okay. Next bag, snacks. Some brownies.
You got brownies?
Some Red Bulls.
Of course.
I never had these kinds. I usually get either the dragon fruit or the peach one. But I wanted to try something different, so I got the tropical Red Bull and the watermelon Red Bull.
Wait, Mama.
And I'll just take these to work with me.
There?
No, they're just energy drinks. Like the Bang, you know Bang.
Wait, can I try one?
I got some Oreos.
Can I try one?
Not right now.
Yeah, when
Some
you're
vanilla,
done with that.
baby. Some vanilla wafers.
Not you need to look at this window.
Because I'm gonna make some banana. Well, we're gonna make some banana pudding tonight. Some baby food, sweet potato and turkey, just in time for Thanksgiving. Did you just open it? Why? I'm not getting no chips. Some chips. Frito-Lay, which is like $18 for a 28 pack. Ridiculous. I got some whipped cream to put on top of the banana pudding. And I make banana pudding with no bananas in it. I'm not putting bananas in mine. Some strawberries. Some grapes. Some seedless grapes. Some cantaloupe. I love cantaloupe. Oh my goodness. And Publix has the sweetest cantaloupe I ever had.
Mama, tell me I like cantaloupe too.
Kennedy says she like cantaloupe too, y'all.
I love cantaloupe.
She told me to tell y'all that. I got more baby food. More baby food because my son gotta eat.
Yeah, definitely. My brother wanted
More baby food. More baby food.
Don't think.
More baby food.
Don't think. Mama, you got him 100 packs of baby food?
What? Alright, I guess this is good. I got some classic caramel syrup for my iced coffees. Some vanilla mix for my banana pudding tonight. And some banana cream. I got some Prego
Mama,
pasta sauce. Some sun chips. Oh, these are so good.
And then can I say something later?
Some almond milk, because that's the only thing we drink over out here is almond milk. Some honey, smoked turkey breast, and then just bacon. So that is the grocery haul. And we didn't get any meats because we literally have plenty of meats. Well, y'all probably can't see, but we literally have plenty of ground beef, plenty of chicken, shrimp. So I know y'all probably like, all she got was snacks. That's because I wrapped up one meat from the last time I went grocery shopping, which y'all saw. That was probably in the last vlog. Yeah, that was in the last vlog. No, the vlog before this, because another vlog is coming out before this one. So we'll catch y'all when we start making the banana pudding.
Yeah, and if y'all was asking me why my eyes itching, because I was drinking this cold juice with this juice and
Damn. Alright guys, so I just finished recording 2 videos, one on my true crime channel and one on my TV channel. See, my recording area looks a mess, but this is where I record. Y'all, give me some ideas on what I should decorate. I want this room to be like Chanel theme.
oh no, can I turn the box up? So you want your dang, back up. Back up. Okay, so wait, what you want your room to be decorated like?
Chanel theme.
Chanel. So You know, I'm gonna buy my mommy. I'm gonna buy my mommy Chanel purse.
I got a package. And I know what it is. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so freaking excited. Oh my God. A new camera! I have my camera. Oh, it's hot in this house. Oh my God. Y'all, they've been trying to deliver this thing for like 2 or 3 days now. And I have not been home. So, I'm going to do an unboxing. So, I'm going to make sure I save all of this. Because I'm going to do an unboxing shorts. The book. So, I got to make sure I put it back like how it was. Oh my God. Y'all don't even know how pressed I am right now. Ooh, Tassie, don't drop it already, girl. You just got... Lord, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's so small. It's so small and compact like everybody said it would be. Oh my God, how you turn it on? Here, I gotta make sure I put everything right back because I'm gonna do an unboxing. Like I said. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, the battery better be charged. It better be charged. I know, what is this? Oh, that's how I charge the battery. Maybe a memory card is already in here. It's not turning on, y'all. Oh. That's an on and off button. It worked! Oh my God, it worked. All right. I gotta figure out how to work this. To apply effects, press the Creative Assistant button. No card. No card and camera. So does that mean memory card? Do I have to buy a memory card? I hope not. For $600. I know you fucking lying. How do I know what it come with? Lens not included. Okay. Wait. Wait, I gotta buy a lens? And my battery about to die? They didn't even give me a charged battery. How do I find the memory card? Oh. I know you fucking lying. I know you lying. It don't come with a memory card or lens. Something else I have to buy. It don't come with lens. Is it supposed to look like this, y'all? I doubt it. So I can't even do nothing with it because it don't come with a memory card. That's crazy. Go. No, that's crazy. Oh my God, when I have my... So I gotta buy a memory card and lens. That is so whack. So when I vlog, I could be like, hey y'all. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, bitches. I don't do nothing yet. Flip that bitch back around. Close it. I gotta get a case. This is it. I got the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So I guess that's generation 2. Okay. All right, you guys. So it's like a week later and we're finally making the banana pudding. And this is gonna be the simplest banana pudding ever. We're not gonna make nothing from scratch. It's just gonna be store-bought banana pudding. So we have the vanilla and the banana cream, as you saw in the grocery haul. Stop making all that noise.
Okay.
We have our whole milk, and we have vanilla wafers. And I don't like bananas in my banana pudding, so. Oh, I forgot vanilla. We have our imitation vanilla that does the job just well.
Oh.
Oh, we can make mini pudding pops.
Let me see. What's knitting pops?
Mini pudding pops.
What is that?
Oh, we need eggs, don't we? No, we don't need no eggs. Why am I taking this too far? It's not that serious, y'all. We don't need eggs. We just need milk. And I'm gonna just add my own vanilla pudding. Vanilla in a pudding.
Huh? That's not vanilla.
And we're gonna put it in here.
Mom, what does
This
it
is
say?
just us. Imitation vanilla flavor.
So it tastes like vanilla? This is where Mommy put mac and cheese in.
There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told him don't take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug the bitches on is the tree. But I last 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drink, we concentrated. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
I'll keep it simple, baby. I'ma keep it simple with you, baby. You know I don't ever play no games. You know I don't ever complicate it. Got to feel the some type of way. Concentrating on the way you keep the rhythm. Oh my God, I'm glad you came. You came through with that sativa. And the could be having me stuck. You know just how to keep me up. You know it, better believe it. Oh yeah, get ready. Oh, we're alright. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Oh, the floor. You ready? I am on just you and me, and we making arrangements.
A woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So hey y'all, it is November 7th, my son's second birthday. My son's birthday, oh my god, he's 2 years old today. Y'all, this vlog is all over the place. I'm probably going to end it today because it's just all over the place. Like, I got footage from before Halloween. I don't even have footage on Halloween. It's just everywhere. So I finally need to make it come to an end. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna start a new vlog probably next week, because that week is the week I'll be prepping for my daughter and my son's birthday party. So like I said, my son's birthday is today, November 7th. And my daughter's birthday is next week, November 15th. So having two kids' birthdays a week away from each other, it's crazy. And he was supposed to be due in February. He wasn't even supposed to be here in November, but that's another story for another day. So after work, we're gonna eat cake and ice cream, or probably just cake, probably just a little cupcake or something, since the party is next week. It's so many birthdays in November. It's my son's birthday first, then my siblings, they're twins, their birthday is on the 12th, then my daughter's birthday is on the 15th, then my mom's birthday is the 25th in November. So November is just a cake month for us, like celebration month, cake month. So I hope everyone has had a good day, having a good day, or had a good day. Oh, so my camera that I had bought for, I think it was like $600 something, $667. It didn't come with no lens, y'all. It didn't come with a camera lens. It did not come with a camera lens. These companies are getting more and more greedy. Like, capitalism is just getting out of control at this point. Because how do you just sell a camera with no lens? And then the lens is like $100, nothing under $200 or $100. So that'll be my task, probably either this week or next week, to find a camera lens for my camera. Cause I was excited. I was like, I got my camera. I can start vlogging from my camera now. I ain't gotta use my other phone no more. But let me see what time it is. But it looks like that's not gonna happen. At least not yet. And I gotta get me a tripod for my camera too. And I gotta get a case. So honestly, I should have just ordered my camera off of Amazon like I intended to, instead of ordering it from the Canon website. And it didn't come with a memory card. I had to buy a memory card. It just came with the body of the camera and a battery pack and a battery. I'm surprised it even came with a battery. But That's crazy. Capitalism is just getting out of control. Right. Like my mom said, that's like selling a toilet without a toilet seat. Or a toilet bowl. That just doesn't make any sense to me. Like, it should at least come with a basic lens. Like the most basic lens you can find. And then it could be interchangeable. If you want to buy lens to, you know, interchange it out, then do that. But for it to not come with no lens, bro. But this week is going to be a good week. I'm going to listen to my positive affirmations in the morning. And I'm not letting nothing stop me. I'm going to go out here and get it. And I'm not going to give up until I get it. And even when I do get it, I'm going to still keep going. That's how it works. So, I'll see y'all this afternoon when we're singing. When we're singing Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Camden. Happy birthday to you.
My gosh, my just feet is little.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Alright. You don't like it.
I'll smash myself. 3, 2, 1.
Candy, you weird. Why you a weird baby?
Why you do that to yourself, Kennedy?
Alright, you guys. So I'm ending the vlog here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.